Welcome back to guys. Today, day 15, January 15, is day coming live and sharing my days and coding and working on my projects. So for today, my day went pretty well. Today, I on my project which I'm doing in the company, I was able to fulfill some requirement, but still today I had some bug also and also there was some problem regarding do you guys ever know like when you update one slice, I want to pass the value to the another slice and want to show it like on the Redux toolkit. Yeah, so there is one company and employee. So when I create the employee, I want to create that state, and when I create the employee, I want to add an ID to it, and I want to pass that employee to a specific company of the state which I have also made in this slice. So I tried to implement, but there was it was saying like undefined, like, and when I look at the Reddit, there was some like Reddit or I guess I looked over the Stack Overflow and I like found like their as Redux is async function and it doesn't renders the new stated on the same, so we need to do use effect, but if I do use effect then the current state will be go like there was some kind of problem, so I need to look up that on this today live also. Besides that, I will be working on my e-commerce that project also, and I have some video to watch for the start, so I will be watching that. So don't judge me, and so let's get into the video, man. So I will turn off my uh video. Okay, so no, off my sound, and I'm going to watch some video. So don't judge me. Hello, Rahul, brother. Here, let me come after the dinner, okay? Sure. So, you haven't had a dinner? No, I just come from somewhere. Where did I come? Sure. Okay, brother, take your time. Yup, I'm back. Hello, bro. How you doing and how was your day? It was very bad. I'm unable to complete my work. Like, what happened to you, bro? Now I'm just regretting. Why? What happened? I decided that I will create one project and after that react and one concert of jazz. But in reality, I haven't completed any one of them. Why you didn't complete it? What happened? You should have planned it out, no, bro. Like, how should I do things? How I will be doing things? You should always plan it out. So I know I'm not getting views. Like, if you didn't come today, also like I will be having zero views. Yeah, but I have committed myself to come each and every day. Yeah, for this year. And nowadays, I know I'm not that very good at React. Like I'm not able to make a full 10-hour video. Yeah, and like I'm learning still. But I hope after 1 2 month, after 1 2 month, I will be able to be more good and I will be able to create awesome videos. But I will continue my life even I have no viewers, cause I know at the end when I will look at my journey, there will be some kind of struggle that no one can compare to. Have you seen my LinkedIn post? Yeah, I have seen, and I was today at my office, but I was just when you said I will come after the dinner, yeah, and I just look at the LinkedIn and I was hoping, where is your day to post? In fact, I don't want to come to live also because no viewers, but at the end, it all will make sense. Yeah, I know, man. I have got you. Like you are with me. What the point I was saying is, no matter how the things will work out for me, but if I have a trust in myself that after some month or with or like look, bro, like what I was thinking today was, we often think like we have to achieve something within a 4 month, 5 month, and I will do this, yeah, and we want to do that thing in a short span of time, but we can't, and we again give like 3 4 month time to do it, yeah, like like our age is like around 19 or 20, yeah, like right now, like mine is 19-year-old. So if I have not see, like I need to make 1 lakh per month, like within a year, been that's will be a great dream, yeah. But if I just give my time for like thinking out loud, like 5 year 10 year, that means I will be like 29-year-old, and most of my brother I know don't make that much also money, like 1 lakh. So we want to have so many things in a small span of time, and we forgot that for that to come we have to struggle. So where is my e-commerce side? Okay, here it was. Papa, allow me. By the way, how was the project? One and your skin is not. Yeah, your project, first day project was really good. I saw your video and I really like that you posted a video. That means like you are showing the thing that you have done in the internet. That's a really good part. Like if you haven't posted the video, then I will have to go to your GitHub and I have to like clone it and use it, and like I will have some kind of time to spend there, yeah. But when you put that video, like I was able to just get that. Okay, so what was the thing he was doing, yeah. So my video, okay, sure, okay, my okay, so there is no my video. So today I need to make this is card, this is this log out button. I think I will just start. So what I was thinking was, so there is this. So I have done this part. Now I need to do this part. Mm, So this will be my data. I need to have title, price, description, image, category. I already have. I already have made this. I already had made this. So now I need to make a cart, or like what can I do is I can see website. What you say? Website design. I can see at the dribble. What to get inspiration, like what should be my design should look like. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hello, man. Papa, hello, man. You know me, you know me. You know me. You know me. So I will have this all product section, and when I click it I want to make it like this, or I want to see many designs. Mhm. So what I will do is I will have a big section here like a hero section, and I will have one like topics, like I will do like this, or what I will do is I will mm, so what I will do is I will have one hero section here, and it will have a image like sliding. So what I will have is like I will have a cursor, you can say. I will have one cursor here and one at here, like this. It will have one cursor, yeah. So it will be like a photo, or like, yeah, I will like what is here, like they are just a photo. No, what I can do is I will have a text, but I will have a background image which will be a cursor. Okay, so what I will do is I have sent you photo in WhatsApp, and I have noticed you are not even active on WhatsApp. Yeah, bro. Like I don't use WhatsApp that often, also. Okay, wait, is my phone? Okay, you sent me the photo. Yeah, I look great, bro. Not gonna lie. Okay, so mm, I have one request about GitHub to you. Yeah, bro. I will have a box here. It will contain my main title. So it will be like this. This will be my S1 and I will have some text here and it will float and there will be the image here and I will have like again one text box here. It will say our top like on this format I will make my page and this will also have like small like this kind of thing here because I need to plan it out, bro. Okay, so what is happening here is mm, bit I don't want to bit I said what I said a bit okay and I will have a small button like here so it will say like show more see more kind of button. Yeah, it will like have where is the text see more. It will say main h1. Okay, so I would like to make this way. So I need to make a header here. So what I have now is I have an e-commerce, so I need to make it here. So I will what I will have is I already have header. Yeah, so I will have a main. Bro, I just got one thing from my mom. I will be. Could you please explain how now about GitHub that how to use like in a short way so I can use it for social. Sure, bro. Like I will come after just 4 minute, okay, or 5 minute. My mom has called me for like some clothes outside, so I need to pick it up. I forgot it. So, okay, I will be just back. Could you please explain how now about GitHub that you like to use in what way? So okay, so I will say it. Okay, so my screen is sharing. Yeah, okay. Are you there? Are you there? I'll show it once and like you can rewind also. No, yeah, it's okay. So what I do is I go to the GitHub. Okay, I go to the GitHub. I go to my repositories. Okay, so I have around 133. Most of my are private. Okay, so what I do is I go on the new, and what I do is okay. So let me like my next project I'm going to make is like about I'm learning. I think I'm going to learn fast API. Okay, so I will now make it. Okay, so fast API YouTube. Okay, so if I made this repository name, and it can be anything. You can have it public, private, anything. You can give it under the license also, but I don't do it like not necessary to do it. Okay, so creating repositories and brother, but first say me, have you added SS key in your system? Have you added that? So like I can't like you are on window, yeah, so I don't know the exact way. Like for that you can watch videos, but what you need to do is you need to add like okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so if you go to any GitHub repo. Okay, so oh, no, I will go to this uh GitHub. Okay, so okay, if I went to any GitHub account, I have two way to clone the project. Okay, so my first way is to clone the project is by going here and by having the https, and I will copy that and I will clone it. Yeah, another way is downloading the zip file, and another way is ssh key. Use a password protected access key. Like I think I think I can't show you my private key like on the YouTube. But what you need to do is go to your like setting, and what you need to do is under the SSH key, yeah, like under this, like yeah, under this SSH key, you need to add your SSH keys. Okay, okay, my pro. So SS your key will you need to add that, and what you need to do is if I create one new repo. Okay, so if I create here if I go back and if I create mkdir fast API. Okay, so cd fast API ls. What I need to do is I will create one small like fast API. Bro, you are here, yeah. Okay, so you don't need to add SSS key if you are not sure, but what you need to add the code is I there is only 5 step. Okay, but first of all I will just have a You don't need to do this, like I'm just doing it for to show you, okay? Or what I can do is I will just create one React project for you. Okay, so it will be a React.js, and I will go under it. So what I will do is npm, yeah, no, npx, what is the code? Npm, no, npx create beat at the rate latest. I think this is the code. Yeah, this was the code. So what I will do is project name. Now project name, I will write. mm, I'm so bad at naming project. So this will be my 10 React query. Okay, so I will choose React. I will choose JavaScript, and I will go under React npm I. And what is this? And after sending my chat, here it goes late around 8 seconds. So whenever you ask something, then wait some time, then you able to see it. Okay, I don't knew that. I didn't knew that. Okay, so bro, okay, so you know what I'm doing, yeah? Like I'm using it to create one repo. Okay, so I'm under this, so I will just go and open it, and I will close my previous one. I will close my previous one, and I will also close this terminal because I'm showing you right now. It's okay. So I trust it. Okay. So I need this project to host on the where? On the GitHub. So what I will do is I will write git init init. That means git initialize. When I do this git init, and first of all you need to install git, okay, like git install. We need to install this git. You need to install this git, okay, and you need to add like sss key, and if you saw one video, that will be enough for you, okay. So the main command I use is git init git add add dot, okay. So git add and dot means add all the repos which I have here, and you can see here there is a. So I am getting the git is added, and if you do git status, you can see here what I have, new file. I have this new file, and they are under the stage, yeah. And before I push to the GitHub, I need to commit, means what I am doing right now. So just created the project which I like, don't need to have this big, but like just like, okay, uh started. Okay, I will just say started the project, and what it says, create mode. Okay, so this have been created, okay. And before I did what, like I did git status, and it said no commit yet, and this was the new file, yeah. But if I do again like git status, what it will say, it will say like we have already created this file and we have added to the commit, and what I just need to do is, as I have created this file, yeah, I will create a new one also, because this is for will be for my fast API, or I can just use here also. Okay, so what I will do is, I have already created this three step. First is git init, second is git add. You don't need to run this git status, I only run it for to show you like what I am doing. First is git init, git add dot, and another is git commit hyphen like this minus yam, and what and a small message about what you are doing. And you just need to copy this or pushing an existing this repo from command line. Okay, and just need to copy this, and just need to come here and you have to paste and enter. And what it says, git pushed to the main, like all the thing work, yeah. So if I come back and I refresh this site, the code which I had here came to the GitHub, yeah, like 1 minute ago I started this project, yeah, and started the project. This was the message I given here. Okay, so if I go here and if I change some code, okay, so if I go here and if I go and like change like here, okay, so if I go and change here like Biras, okay, so if I change here, yeah, and there will be, okay, so sorry, okay, 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 I think there is nothing problem here, yeah. If is anything, okay, I will just remove these images. Okay, so I changed here like something, yeah, so this is like yam, this is modified. I have changed something. So what I need to do is again is, if I want to add code on my existing repo, yeah, I want to add here code, only this line I want to add is, what I will do is, i will I will show you fully. Okay, so what I will do is clear. Okay, so what I will do is, I will say again git add dot. So what it will do is, it will add my GitHub. Okay, so it will add my modified change. And I will do is git commit. You don't need to do like git init, okay, for this time, because it is already initialized on your repo. Okay, and if you do like, okay, so I will say I changed some file, and it says one file changed, 8 insert 18 delete, like I deleted some file, I added some line, yeah. So what I need to do is, before like I copied this code, yeah, like this three line git remove that, you need to do this code only one time. Okay, so from what you need to do is, for to add an existing code, git add, git commit what you have changed, and you need to just say git push, that means push this code to your GitHub. If you just press git push, then your code will be gone and pushed. Okay, so and if you come back and refresh your GitHub, like if you refresh your GitHub, yeah, like you can see my first was 4 minutes ago, and just like I changed some file, because I changed here, yeah, so 1 minute ago. If you see here, there is the two commit, yeah. If you click on these two commits, then it will show you like 4 minutes ago I started, and 1 minute ago I changed some file. And if you click on I change file, yeah, and you can see like I like this red is, I deleted this line and I added this line, and what I add on. So git init, git init, Okay, I will send you like this. Okay, first git init, git add, git commit. So like you can have like anything here, and git you will do that like 4 line code. Okay, so I show you here. Yeah, like this code, this bunch of code. Your will be different from mine. Your will be different from mine, but you will have this git add origin and like git biras karke fast away. Like here will be your name and your repository name. Like your name, like your username will be here. Your username will be here, and your file name, or you can say your repo name. Okay, and you will do this. The above is for first time. First time. The above is for first time. Then if you change some code and want to add it on GitHub, then you need to git add, git commit, updated anything you can add here. You can say git push. Thank you, bro. You are welcome, brother. So you should do this only like, and I will suggest you to write this code. Yeah, write this code, and because you will have like confusion like what I need to do. Yeah, but if you write it somewhere and if you just look it up and do this for like 1 week or 2 week, then it will just come in your brain. And there is so many git code you have to learn. Like there is git branch, it will create that branch in your github. You can add code to the another people. There will be the git pool. Like if you added some code in your repository, but you need to add code from your repo to your code. Yeah, from github to your code you need to add. Then you have to use like git pull, like it will pull the code. There are a bunch of mini code, but if you just master this, then you will be able to add your code like to your github. And for as a basic, like as you are a beginner, yeah, so if you do this for like 1 2 week, it will come naturally to you. And then after go and see other code like git branch, like how can you branch it, how can you merge it, how can you request a pull request in github. And that way you will be able to contribute on the open source. Like the main thing is you need to have a proper understanding of like Git, like how how a repo in open source is actually being maintained and what their code base is. So just practice this for like some week and it will come naturally to you. Like I also think I did like write down on my copy, and used to see it like day in day, and after some week I was comfortable enough to just toss it off, and I'm just now recalling it. Like in my office also I do like grid brands. I need to do like grid pull. I need to send like git pull request like to my senior officer, like to my senior tech lead, and like he will see my code. He will like do like code review. So I have added my code. Okay, so in the comment section you can just go and check it out. And okay, so back to my video, what I was doing is I need to add this main hero. So I will create this component here. What I will do is I have a header, I have main home. Yeah, this is the main home, this is the UI. But what I want to do is I want to add a hero section. Okay, hero section, and I want to add the main hero dot jsx here, and rafc, and I need to save it, and I need to come here on this e-commerce and I need to import it. So I have imported it. Yeah. So npm run dev again. So I think, and also I I'm rendering I guess on my layout, and my layout. So I'm on my layout. I'm rendering this e-commerce header. Like I was doing like is authenticated, then only show this component, otherwise main component, and I created the redux also for it. Yeah, so I created like features, I created the slice cart and provider also, and I even do like context for that authorization. So where is my context file is, my context file is here. Yeah, so auth context, I even do this, but like login, then only go on the second page, like from the local storage. But this code is not working like right now. I don't know why. There might be some bug here. Hello, thanks for your. No, bro. Like I also struggle it on the GitHub. Like if I start like when I started my coding journey, if I knew like how to use GitHub like more actively, and why the github is actually important in my life, like I will have given more code. Like what happened was, on the lockdown I did bunch of coding. I created so many clone also, I created so many project. Yeah, but I didn't push it to the github. And what happened was, before this laptop I used to code on my computer. Yeah, so my computer got like hard disk crashed. Yeah, like there was some kind of short circuit and my hard disk was fully caught up, and all of my projects were gone, literally all gone. But if I add it to the github, then first of all people will think like, okay, so this person is pushing his code from that time to now also. Yeah, and another is my code will be secure. Like I, after the 10 year also, I can go back and I can think like, okay, so I was on my second or first sim, and I used to code, and I used to code so funny way. Like there are so many bugs, wrong code, and I will laugh. Yeah, so like for that also you need github. And third point, the main point is, people will see your github and judge you, brother. Like obviously judge you. Like mean, as you say, I'm a front end developer, I'm a back end developer, or anything, you are a developer. Okay, and if you go in any circle or any companies or any to your friend, and first of all I will ask your name, I will search it on the Google, and I will open your GitHub profile, and I will see what code are you pushing to your GitHub, what projects are you doing, how much active are you on GitHub. And if I think like okay, so this person is not pushing any code to the GitHub, like there is no any code like I can check. So then the first reaction will be like he's not good at coding, or he's not like basically a person that I should hire in my company. So like your GitHub profile is the most important thing if you are starting out, like mainly on your starting phase on your journey. So just code it, push it, code it, push it. Like I have my longest streak of like 24 days, and I got it from zero. Yeah. So now from the January 1 to January 16, I have like 16 day of streak. So I want to maintain this streak like to like full this year. Like I want to have my full year streak on the GitHub. So like that's my thinking. So I'm coding and I'm pushing it daily. So okay, I will see some stats here and component I need to add on my e-commerce site. Okay, so is there hero section here? Okay, hero, no, there is no any hero section. But there is this crossover, yeah, this is so cool, man. But what can I do is I can there is this carousel, yeah, like where is the carousel? What I can do is as I will am making a carousel, yeah. Should I add it on my code? This this is also good. So this takes the set API props to an instance of the carousel API. So what it is doing it is creating three state count, set APIs, and use effect. It is like fetching the data. So I can use here like not use effect, but I can use anything to fetch data like, and I can just pass that data to I think set API, so I can pass it to here. Okay. So before that also what I need to okay, I want to learn fast API also, man. So what I will do is so on the tailwind, yeah, there is some I think component. I need to add some component. Like people will think like adding a component is like why you are adding just code it, but to add a component is also a skill. Like you can't just take it from the internet and add and make it work. Like there is also struggle you have to face it. And if you are on development or in any startup, then not knowing to how to just have a component working in your code will give you so much time. Like you can ship product software so much fast. So I think there is some e-commerce section, yeah, here. Yeah, product list. I need to add this, and product features. I need to see this also. And for the hero section, what I will do is there this hero section. Yeah, I think other code are like money. I need to pay money. But this code, this first code is I have the code source here, code full code here. Yeah. So first of all, I will preview it like what must thing I need here. So what I need is data. Okay, so I don't need all of the code. Like I what I need is so this is the nav bar. So this nav bar is up to here. Yeah. So there is this dialogue, and okay, so there is this dialogue which will show on the mobile set mobile open view. Okay, so when I click it, it will have this function like this hook to like true use this will make that state true and it will open our browser. Yeah, so what I need to do is, okay, so I don't want that code, and I don't want this code also. What I want is, okay, so I don't want this above code. I don't want any of those code. And what I need to have is, okay, so from here I think okay, so from here I can make some use of this code. I will just see, okay, like what I can do with this code. mm, why my why my laptop mouse is not working properly? Okay, guys, just I need to take in my mouse. One second. I have it from my, so I took my mouse to the office. Yeah, so like I have a wireless mouse, so I like to code on this wireless mouse. So what I will do is, I will come back here and on my hero. Yeah, where is my hero section? So my hero section is here. I will like to paste it here, but I think, yeah. So let me see how my code is looking. Why my name is not in Google search? Like basically why your name is not on Google search is like, this is also a SEO factor. Yeah, so what I have done is, I have took my Biras Karki name and I have added like exactly same name to my GitHub, my LinkedIn. And what I have is, I am also active following and I have like kind of activeness on the LinkedIn and GitHub. Yeah, and what I've done is, I have created a like Drivel, like is all like many social media platform, and I put the username same. And I have added, like what I have done is, on my GitHub I have added my Facebook link, I have added my LinkedIn link, YouTube channel link. So that will make like a web. Yeah, like, so from my LinkedIn people can go to my GitHub, from my GitHub people can go to my YouTube, and that will create a, okay, so there is this person named Biras Karki which has this social media platform. And when Google will search, and soon after some time, like if I, okay, you are right here. Yeah, so if I go here, I need to just show you one thing. Okay, I will just show you one thing. If I go here and like, who is Biraz Karki, like it will say, hi, I'm a chess player, web and app developer, engineer, learner, chess player, and open source advocate from Nepal. So it is coming from my GitHub, and what I my LinkedIn profile is also there on the second, and I have my Medium account where I have around 10 followers. I have my Pinterest account. I have my like GitHub, and I have my Hashnote where I used to post my blog articles, and I have my Twitter also, and I have my YouTube channel also. This is my YouTube channel, The Life of Biraz. Okay, so this is my Hogging Face channel. Like this is my account. This is my YouTube video. So if you create your same name and link to each other, then slowly and after your name will also come on the Google. So for that you need to do that. So okay, so let's see what is happening. Okay, so my hello message is coming here, but what I need to do is, uh main section. Yeah, main section I have added here. Okay, so e-commerce, hero main. No, no, no. What I want is I want this file to open in the main here. So yeah, this code came here. I will have my source bars here. I need to change the code from here. Then okay. So relative. I think I don't need this. Okay, so what was happening here was I need to have a empty bracket. So I need to add this. I need to add this here. So what I need to do is now I can remove this. Okay, so I need can remove this, and I think here it has given the EMX Auto Max with to be 2XL and LGPY. Okay, so I think here it has given also some classes to the like relatively. So announcing our okay, so this is coming for that side. So MX Auto. Okay, so I think PY32 pairing top. Okay, okay. So if I just remove this code, yeah, I don't want it to go like I want to be it. Okay, so what I can do is I can give it like I can give like as to be like uh height 100. No, like can give it like 11. Yeah, I want to 11. Nothing at all. So what I can do is I have this, yeah, so PCY MX Auto. So what I'll do is I think this is for the max, this is for the M axis. So Axis PGY. Okay, okay. So for the last skin, I'm doing this. Yeah, but if I remove this code here, then you can see. Okay, right now I am liking it. Okay, or I can just remove this code up to here. So this is giving the AMX padding. Okay, and if I remove this code right now, okay, okay, this is for that. Okay, so what I can do is I can have some texture like quadrant take mods. Yeah. So what I want is data. Where is the data text? Where is the data text? Data text. Data. I need to change my font, man. I'm not able to understand. Okay, so here is my data. Okay. Uh, quadrant take is the futurist, futuristic way, way, way for your clothing and fashion. Quadrant mod MERC as okay. MER quadrant mods is the futuristic way for clothing and fashion. Uh, okay, so I will have this here, and what I can do is I will remove this code here. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't this okay. So yeah, I only need this. So announcing our okay, I can write here like now we ship across the world. Now we ship I don't mean okay, now we ship across the world. So what I need to do is now is I need to add this kind of product, okay? So so this will be good. Sure brother. Take care. Have a good night. Mm, product features. Mm, okay, so what I can do is okay. This is for the hero section, and I need to have product here, product section also here. Product section. So, guys, today for this Moz live, so I created this. What I did was from the RTK, I fetched the data and I showed to the UI. So that's much for today, and that means I need to learn something. And I don't want to be on the live and mute my mic and go and watch the videos for learning. I will just watch and I will come back tomorrow and I will do the things I need to do first. Okay, so that's the plan. So yeah, take care, guys.